The beach is a special challenge for some metal detectors because of the high salt mineralization. These salty conditions, especially at the water's edge and in the ocean water, can often provide unstable performance for VLF detectors. In the dry sand, you can run the apex in one of the single frequencies. I like to use 15 kilohertz here or the regular multi-frequency setting because they do well on big conductive coins. They also do really well on fine jewelry like small gold rings or even earrings. When you move to the edge of the ocean where the sand is wet or into the shallow saltwater, everything changes. Here I always switch the apex to the multi-frequency salt mode. In most cases on these white sand beaches, the apex becomes very stable just by using the salt mode. You may still have to ground balance your apex as the water and sand conditions change. If you encounter a beach with more mineralized sands, such as black sand, you might need to reduce your sensitivity a little bit in order to achieve maximum stability. Here are a few of my beach hunting techniques. During the day, I make note of where the high and low tide marks are. I also see where the towel line is, where all the umbrellas and beach chairs are set up. Late in the day, when all the chairs and umbrellas are gone, this is the area I love to hunt. I hunt this towel line to find all the lost coins and jewelry. At low tide, I can move out into the wet sand to where the people had been swimming and waiting hours before. There is often a hard pack or bar area where some of the washed items are naturally collected just under the sand. If you can find such a natural trap or pocket, your chances are really good at finding lost treasures. A lot of times this involves common sense. Just look at the low point and see where the heavy gold would be collected.
When at the beach, when it starts to get dark, what I love about my Apex is I can put that backlight on, the screen lights up, and it helps me to see what's in the ground by the numbers, by the screen being lit up. And I always wear a headlamp. That way I can see what's in my scoop.
The Apex is water resistant, but it's not submersible, so always be careful around the waves.